follow Clearview around the loop.
How much is this? Does it have the propeller? Here's some old rock. If I said some old rock.
Somebody stole my ladder, left my sign.
How are you guys doing today?
Good. How are you?
Doing excellent.
So, were you driving by and saw signs, or did you
No,
see something?
I saw it online, or Yard Sale Treasure, one of the two.
Yardsale.com.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Yep.
Just curious to know where people are seeing it.
Yeah. Always be on the lookout for certain DVD box sets, such as anything from PBS, BBC, or Acorn. These box sets can actually bring really good money. They're short print, and they usually sell really well on eBay.
Yeah.
How much is your DVDs?
Dana DVDs?
That's not mine.
It's not? Oh, $2.
$2, okay. What else we got over here? All right, here, I got the $2 for you.
Oh, you can give it to her. So
Do you have 3?
I have, yeah, let me run in and grab
Okay.
it.
and
What's
out
this?
through the roads.
Oh, dryers. Oh, that's cool. It heats up your stuff.
Dries your boots.
Yeah.
There you go.
But it didn't live in Florida. That'd be perfect.
Right.
All right, you guys have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Oh yeah, there's one on Clearview. So if you go out this way and follow Clearview around the loop, I know there's one on, like right on Clearview and...
As I was leaving the yard sale, these Coach sandals caught my eye. They're a very unique color, but they wanted $15 for them. They had a little wear in the bottom, so I decided to pass on them. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you have picked those up? Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
As I'm walking to the yard sale, these ladies were asking how much this stuff was, and the owner was like, you know what, just take it all. And the conversation that follows is pretty funny.
It's not the way this works. Later in the day, that's how it works.
My wife does the same thing. We have a yard sale.
You guys are like colander?
Yeah, very nice. Oh, yeah.
All things on shelf are 25 cents. Everything on the shelf is? Okay. This Figment doll is actually from 1982. It's actually brand new with tags, so that's a great score for 25 cents. If I didn't already have a massive collection of unlisted Harry Potter books, I would have bought all these Harry Potter books for 25 cents a piece. It's a great deal. Do you guys have any more Disney stuff? I saw this here. These.
Oh, the Figment's a good one.
Yeah, that's a cool piece.
I wish. Used to.
Okay. All right, I'll cash out with you.
Okay.
How much is this? $1.
Figment's what, 50 cents?
How much
Is
is
that
it?
what it was? 50 cents? 25 cents on the
Just keep it. That don't
All right,
matter.
thank
Thank you, man. Make up for the last sale, right? The giveaway. You guys have a good day. Good morning. That's cool. The whole table was on a hill and it was off balance, so when I picked up that lamp, that thing fell. Luckily for me, I have cat-like reflexes. How much is this?
10?
10?
It does work.
Does work?
Yeah.
I've sold a lot of these Tiffany style desk lamps in the past. They usually get like 40, 50 bucks. Some of the more rarer ones, antique ones, can actually go in the hundreds. So if you guys do see them, pick them up. Oh, the blood. How much is this?
3.
3? Okay. Cool. Oh, it's missing the propeller. Does it have the propeller?
I don't know.
No, I just noticed that. Oh, that lamp. How much is this?
I can give you 10.
This one's 10?
Yeah. You want to try it?
What's the backstory on it?
No, I just bought it. It's not
Okay. I'll give you 10 for this.
Okay.
I gotta find a place to put it down so I get my money out.
Thank you, sir. Ah, you have changed.
Okay. Sorry, I just went to the ATM.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. When I got to this yard sale, they were just setting up, so I didn't film anything. I decided to leave, and then they flagged me down and said they found a big box of vinyl records, so I decided to come take a look. Let's see what we got here.
Those are CDs.
Yeah. Okay.
These are cassettes.
Tina Turner.
Cassettes. Yeah, seen those.
Cassettes, I'll look at them.
Not many there.
Yeah.
They got picked out the last time.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Grease.
Most of them are old. Most of them came from her mom. She collected them for
That's
years.
the ones that came from Frankie.
You looking for something in particular?
No, just maybe some old rock. If I said some old rock, it's kind of what I'm so mad at myself. I left the BTO one behind by accident. Jefferson Starship. Awesome. Wagon.
Yeah, I have to go through that.
Oh, that Fleetwood Mac album's a good one.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I got 5 records. There you go, $5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for stopping.
Yeah, thank you for letting me know. As I pulled up to the sale, the owner was just setting up and the gold and silver people were there going through all their jewelry. So the owner wasn't around. I probably would have bought this purse for about $5 or so, but I just decided to pass and move on to the next yard sale because they were in deep discussion. As I was hitting up yard sales, I came across this random estate sale that wasn't advertised online. Good morning.
Good morning.
When I go to estate sales, first thing I have to do is do a quick scan of each room, just kind of see what they have, what kind of items they do have. That's interesting. This TV got my attention. This is a JCPenney's TV. It's a portable TV. I think it's from 1978. It didn't have the power cord. I was unable to test it, so I decided to pass on it. They usually go for about $40, $50. There's 3 of them there. Excuse me? I had some question on pricing.
Yeah.
For the VHS back here, how much were you asking for the VHS in the box there?
I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, I usually pick them up for like a quarter, 50 cents a piece when I usually buy them at your garage sales. So
Well, how about $10 for the whole box?
I don't want the whole box. I would probably want like a stack of them, maybe some of these ones over here. And then I was also, do these work? The DVD, VCR?
Yeah, they all work. I mean, my mother had all of them working. She's got one of them is CD, I mean,
Yeah.
VHS and DVD, and this is VHS, and this is.
We should have one in each room in the house.
They were all right here.
Oh, really?
They were all right here. She had some in the other rooms that I've
Okay.
gotten rid of.
Well, what are you asking for the VCRs?
About $10 a piece on them.
No. Let's see here.
Like I say, the rack I'm keeping.
Yeah. I'm not worried about the rack.
60s are at.
I would do $5 a piece on them. I'm just afraid that I buy multiple ones at garage sales and stuff like that, state sales, and they turn on, but then it might eat the something inside doesn't work fully.
How about 20 for the 3 of them?
I'll do 20 for 3. That's fair. And then if I do like a, we do like a $5, like a small a stack of these, maybe like 2 rolls.
Sure.
Okay. All right, I'll do that. One thing I love to pick up at garage sales and estate sales is media. People don't care about media, especially like VHS. These are all brand new sealed. So I'm going to buy these, put them in a giant lot. We'll probably get about 25, 30 bucks on eBay for them. Try to see if I can match up the remotes for this.
Yeah, I'm sure that's all, not about that all, but a couple of them was right in that basket, so.
When you buy DVDs and VCR combos, make sure you ask if they have the remotes. It does add a premium to it. Also, too, I don't like to spend more than like $5 on these because half the times they don't work. So at $5 a piece, it's worth the risk. If they do work, we should get about $40 to $50 a piece for these. Was there a video game? Nintendo Wii?
No. Yeah, there was a Wii. But
It's sold already?
Yeah, no, she must have gotten rid of that just like I got rid of mine
Gotcha.
years ago.
That's for the Nintendo Wii. That's why.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's the sensor bar for the top of it. I'm just going to put these in my truck if that's okay, real fast.
Yeah, sure.
And come back around the...
Yeah, last weekend I had my truck parked like this.
Uh-huh.
And I had a sign on that side on a ladder. Somebody stole my ladder, left my sign.
People are scumbags.
Yeah. I mean, it was a $5 ladder.
Yeah.
You know, if they'd asked me for it, I would have given them to them.
Yeah.
If they needed it that bad.
There you go, sir.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
I appreciate it.
Finally, I can hit some more yard sales in Florida. Now, this wasn't a huge day, but it was nice to get back to doing some yard sales. During the month of December and beginning of January, it was just too cold. A lot of people in Florida were not setting up. So finally, I was able to find some. I feel so bad for the guy at the estate sale. He seemed like a really nice guy. That was his mom's house. He's clearing everything out for her. I guess she passed away. And then someone came and stole his ladder from his truck while he was parked out front. He had a giant sign there, said estate sale, and someone just stole it. So people are scumbags. Don't steal. Don't be a scumbag. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Once again, if you guys don't know, I started a sports card podcast with Tim over the years in Carry for American Arbitrage Cards called No Banger Sports Card Podcast. Please go like and subscribe. Check it out if you're into that or want to learn about cards. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.